This is my solar project, making my own mounting system for solar panels so they can have an optimal angle for generating the most power. I made this out of parts I had lying around, which was this steel that's normally used for racks. So it was made out of this. As you can see, that I made it into a kind of tube by welding these corners together. So this is actually two of these right here, and the bottom is made out of an electrical box plate, which I also welded to the bottom of these steel bars here. So as you can see, there's a long leg and a short leg, and the long leg is so this panel is actually about an inch off the ground, and the legs tilt the panel to a 30-degree angle with the ground. So that should allow the sun to hit it, at an angle that produces the most power. Okay, so that's the edge here. Now we go to the middle of this two. This will be in series panel. As you can see at the middle, these two panels share one vertical bar, and it was kind of tricky to figure out how to get these bars attached to the panels. What I did was I drilled a hole into the side of this, which is made out of aluminum. So it's actually like a shaft here. Yeah, anyway, it's like it's a hollow, okay? And so I just drilled a pilot hole through here, made it bigger until I could fit this bolt in. I put the head in through this side, made sure I had adequate space so I can use my power tool to drill that through. And the part that came through goes through the holes in this steel racking here, and it's fixed onto it using, what is this, washer and a nut. As you can see, they're very close together, so I had to use one of those wrenches with that circular end came in handy, so I could fit that over the nut and tighten it. Bad thing about this is is a long way down there, so if you drop something like a nut or something, it's kind of stuck there because you can't really fit your fingers through here. So you got to be careful. As you can see, so these panels kind of mirror each other, and the reason is all the wires are going to be next to each other, so we can save on wiring. We don't have to worry about the wire not being long enough to reach the next panel. Okay, so obviously I'm not going to mount this in my garage. Just doing this for a demo. This will eventually go on like a patio, and I'm gonna bolt these into some studs so that they don't go anywhere, and yeah, should be all good. Anyway, let me know what you think. Try to make this lightweight and sturdy.